Hello, my beautiful Leos. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, Trying Divine Tarot. I'm trying, and I will be doing a reading for you today. I had to take a little time off because I was so sick. I don't know which variant it was, but it had me down for the count, okay? This flu season's gonna be a rough one, so if I had to go through it first just to give you guys a warning, hey, it is what it is. Take your vitamins, okay? Drink your OJ and start building your little medicine cabinet, starting with raw honey, tea. You know, I couldn't even take like NyQuil. Like the NyQuil was like too drying, but you know what really helped me? The children's Tylenol, the cold and flu or the cold and fever, the grape flavored one. It didn't dry me out too much. And like it really soothed my throat because it was like right in here, okay? And then like I couldn't turn the faucet off and so be prepared. Flu season is among us, okay? All right, so let's get into your reading, Leo. I'm going to do an overall energy, and then we're going to clarify with the... Oh, two wanted to come out already. We have the wish card. What are you wishing for, Leo? Okay, it also looks like a little wishbone. So maybe something around the holidays, Thanksgiving time. Something real special might be happening for you. All right, and this was the other card. This beautiful card. Love. Okay, that's like... Valentine's Day exploded all over the place here, okay? So we might have a little holiday romance going on for the Leo. All right, it says wish. Your heart's desire is ready to come true. And then we have love. So love surrounds all your connections. Move forward positively in all areas of your life. So whatever this is, it's a very protected union, okay? It's divinely guided. And it's happening maybe around the holidays. But we're going to go ahead and clarify. I'm hearing for Leo, I miss you. Okay, I miss you. There's somebody losing sleep over a Leo here. I hear that they really think about you in the nighttime hours. They can't sleep. Someone feels very passionately about Leo in my collective. You may have had a falling out with them, an argument. But I feel like you had a falling out with them, but I feel like they've been like, and I don't think you're communicating with them, but I think they might be doing drive-bys past your house, okay? So just be aware of that. They're really into you. They could be a little on the borderline of stalky. You know, stalky, no talkie, okay? So you're not talking to them, so they might get a little stalky, okay? So just pay attention to that and be aware. But I'm definitely feeling vehicle vibes, like somebody's driving past your house, Leo, okay? All right. This flipped concerned, okay? So somebody's worried that you're not talking to them. Somebody that might LOVE you. Okay, Leo. Let's pull another one for Leo, please. Wish and love for Leo, please. I'm hearing I miss you, I'm sorry. I miss you, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, this was already flipped. Unexpected income, but this is also like the Six of Pentacles in the regular Rider-Waite deck, which means somebody wants an equal give and take. You know, they want to, I feel like a lot of love bombing energy, or maybe they've love bombed you in the past and they're waiting for you to love bomb them. But I think I'm feeling a Leo that's kind of holding back. I don't know what it was that made you, like, there was, I feel like a red flag was dropped. So now you kind of got your guard up, or there was an argument that took place that made you feel a little differently about the situation or this person. They might think that you're done with them with this coffin card here. Okay. Prepare for a pop-in. Okay, somebody's going to surprise you out of the blue. Okay. All right, so I know I mentioned somebody driving past your house. Okay, so this is like a house or an apartment building here, and here's the vehicle. Okay. Hold on, I'm so sorry. I'm going to... Okay, with a little bee. Okay. Sorry, I got a chunk of ice. Okay. One more for Leo in this situation. Yeah, look at, we have main female. They might be sorry. They may have been sending flowers to your home, okay, or dropping flowers off, or gifts. They really, really want to make you theirs with the red rose. They want you to be their main, Leo, or vice versa. I feel like if they did a pop-in, you might be a little angry, okay? But this person might, I don't know why I'm getting mechanic vibes too with this. They might be a mechanic. They might work on cars. Okay, and then we have the messenger here. So prepare yourself for a messenger. You could be dealing with another fire sign. But one way or another, they're really trying to get your attention. I don't think you're reciprocating, okay? The energy, and it's making them a little upset, okay? It's making them really worried. And like I said, Stalkie, no talkie, okay? So you're not talking, and so now they're going to have to resort to a little stalking, okay? So just be very aware of that. You not giving them attention is making them a little angry, okay? But I don't think that you're in... I don't think... Yeah, see, they want to balance this out with you, okay? Like, there was like some turbulent water here. There was an argument. Things just weren't flowing right, okay? But they want to stabilize this relationship, okay? They want to bring balance, okay? They want to make everything okay. Anything that they have to do, they want to do. They want to get back with their Leo, okay? Or this is you, Leo. You could be dealing with an earth sign. Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Okay, so this is the Hierophant. It's an earth sign, Taurus. It could represent the church. You could have met them at church or some spiritual place, okay? Or what brought you both together was your spirituality. Or this also could represent marriage. So they could, you know, with the love card and the wish card here, really wanting to take this relationship to the next level. Maybe you weren't ready for it and you kind of hit the brakes, okay? But you know, this is the card of marriage and union, you know, like making it official and tying the knot and all that. So, or maybe you found out, okay, just to another scenario, maybe you were upset, Leo, because you found out that they were married already or in a relationship that they didn't tell you about. You know, I don't know if this is like one-sided or what, but maybe you just feel like they're not your match or they can't match your energy. All right, for Leo, please. All right, we got a tower here. Okay, so something's about to happen. Like I said, something. What is this tower? What is this tower? What's going on for Leo? They may be feeling like, yeah, they're feeling like this tower. They feel like it's over. Like you left them out in the cold. And what did I say? They'll be surprising you with a pop-in. Okay, this is somebody that's coming to your door. Okay, and you're not letting them in. You're letting them sit outside in the cold, okay? So, and this is more earth energy, so maybe you are dealing with an earth sign or vice versa, okay? What was the argument about? Okay, maybe money, finances, you know, mishandling of money, something like that, okay? Or maybe your family. Maybe you guys were arguing over family issues. Okay, as you can see, the Ten of Pentacles, yeah, it represents, you know, the ultimate amount of money, you know, a lot of money, finance, stability, but also represents family, okay? And there's two little rats here trying to get into this box of money. And in the background is a tree. So something tells me that this if it is regarding finances, something about these finances were hidden, okay? All right, and then the Sun card is here. Maybe that's clarifying what I just said, you know, as a yes, like, yeah, that's what's going on. And this also represents you, Leo. Excuse me, I'm not completely out of the woods with this cold, okay? But here's the Sun card. It's the happiest card in the deck. It also is the light that illuminates the truth, okay? So maybe this is what the argument was about. You found out something that just didn't sit right with you. And you had to make a judgment call, okay, with this tower. And, you know, this person is feeling like they're on the outside now, outside looking in. Outside looking in. And I know in the beginning I said somebody's going to be driving past your house, Leo, because you're not talking to them, trying to keep tabs on you. So just be aware of that, okay? Be prepared to be receiving a phone call or emails, texts. I feel like you've given them no other choice but to like physically come to your house, to physically come to your door. And they're kind of fearing that you might turn them away, okay? With the Sun card here, this represents you. All right. One more for Leo. All right. And then we have the Hangman here. Okay. They're feeling like they're in hangman mode. Okay. They're stuck. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to say. There was, I don't know. I'm just feeling like a red flag was thrown, Leo, and that's all you can think about regarding this person and this situation. This is at a standstill right now. It's, they're really hoping for your forgiveness. And like I said, this could be vice versa, Leo. You could be the other one on the other side of this, but I don't know. That's just not how I'm feeling. So, okay, maybe it is about finances, because as you can see, these are a bunch of coins pouring out of his pockets. Okay, so maybe you're mad at them because they mishandled some money. Okay, and they didn't tell you about that. And that caused all sorts of problems. Let's say if you are in a committed relationship or you are married to this person and you guys like share an account, they just went in and they spent a large amount of money on something and didn't tell you about it. And then when you went to go make some purchases, all of a sudden you're getting all sorts of alerts to your bank account that like you don't have enough funds or whatever, and it really pissed you off, I'm feeling. Okay, so whatever the situation is, it's really at a standstill. I think things are going to be worked out. You may forgive them, you may not. This is the Hangman. Okay, so I'm just reading the energy for right now. I feel like if this person wants to make it right, it's going to take a lot. All right. So Leo, I'm going to leave it there. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being patient with me. I'm not completely out of the woods yet, but I'm feeling a lot better. Okay. All right. Till next time, baby dolls. Ciao.